Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Stefan Reyes Kala, and I will be introducing the problems of maxima and minima. So, last meeting we are given 148 problems, and we choose two to explain the problem. So I choose problem number 70, and the problem is a triangle has two equal sides of 14 centimeters. The angles that these sides make with the third side are variable. What is the maximum possible area of the triangle in square centimeters? So in solution, this is the figure of the triangle, and the solution is A is for area. So A is equal to x sine theta times the quantity of x cos theta times 2 over 2. So we can cancel 2 so that we can come up with this answer. A is equal to x squared sine theta cos theta, because when we multiply sine theta to the x cos sine theta is equal to x squared sine theta cos sine theta. So it is dA, derivative of area over derivative of the um, um, dA d theta is equal to x squared, the derivative of cos yes copy this, so x squared sine theta minus the derivative of cos is negative sine plus cos, and the derivative of sine theta is cos theta is equal to 0. So sine squared theta is equal to cos squared theta. So we can square it, so we can cancel squared. So the come up if is sine theta is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, the triangle is a right triangle. So the solution is area is equal to x squared over 2, which is 14 is our x. So area is equal to 14 squared over 2 is equal to 98. Next is the next problem is the triangle that two equal sides of a triangle makes with the third side are variable. The maximum possible area of the triangle is 312.5 square centimeters. Find the length of the equal sides. So again, this is the given figure. So the solution is A is equal to x sine theta x cos theta times 2 over 2. So we can cancel 2. So we can come up with area is equal to x squared sine theta cos theta, which is x sine theta times x cos sine theta. Next is dA d theta is equal to x squared. Copy this. We can see that u and v. So it is u dv plus v du. So our u is x squared sine theta, and the derivative of cos is negative sine theta, plus copy cos, and the derivative of sine theta is cos theta is equal to 0. So if we multiply, it come up with sine theta, sine squared theta is equal to cos squared theta, and we will square it, so we can cancel squared. So sine theta is equal to cos theta. Again, theta is equal to 45 degrees. Next is area is equal to x squared over 2, and the given is 312.5 square centimeters is equal to, we can see that our area is 312.5. So 312.5 is equal to x squared over 2. Then we can cross multiply, so x is equal to 25 centimeters. that should be all. Thank you.